Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and insights into the latest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of household cleaning with a product that's been making waves: Clorox Cleanup Cleaner plus Bleach1 Value Pack. If you're in the market for the best cleaner for bathroom tiles, look no further. Clorox Cleanup Cleaner plus Bleach1 is a powerhouse when it comes to tackling dirt, grime, and germs in your bathroom. Let's break down why this product stands out from the rest. First off, it's from Clorox, a trusted name in cleaning for decades. With their Cleanup Cleaner plus Bleach1, you're not just getting a surface cleaner, but a disinfectant that kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. But what really sets this product apart is its versatility. You can use it on multiple hard, non-porous surfaces throughout your home, including kitchen sinks, countertops, appliances, and of course, bathroom tiles. That means you're getting more bang for your buck with one product that can handle all your cleaning needs. Now, let's talk about effectiveness. Clorox Cleanup Cleaner plus Bleach1 is not just about removing surface dirt. It's about deep cleaning and disinfecting. It's proven to kill the COVID-19 virus, along with other common household bacteria and viruses. Plus, its powerful formula cuts through tough stains and grease with ease, leaving your bathroom tiles sparkling clean. And let's not forget about convenience. This value pack includes 3 32 fluid ounces bottles, so you'll always have plenty on hand for all your cleaning projects. And with the Smart Tube Technology bottle, you can be sure you'll get every last drop of this powerful cleaner. So, if you're tired of struggling with stubborn stains and dingy bathroom tiles, give Clorox Cleanup Cleaner plus Bleach1 a try. It's the best cleaner for bathroom tiles that I've come across, and I think you'll agree once you see the results for yourself. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product critiques. Until next time, happy cleaning!